What did you do in your last three prelims take exams?
Yeah, that's what I'm recalling right now. That because on the day of the exam, no matter how even if you go to bed early, you won't be able to sleep because you are very nervous and anxious. Before the day of the exam, I would usually go out for a walk, and in the evening, I would not study anything. I would just go out for a walk, and in the morning, because you have to do something like tomorrow morning, I would usually go through the trips the tricks and all those videos that I said that they have to be saved for the later part. So of course I've done them previously also, but I would just brush through them that in case any unknown question comes in, and I would just keep explaining myself that don't make a fixed strategy, be flexible. So I would just keep giving myself pep talk. On the exam day, firstly you have to approach the exam with the mindset that it is not going to be on predictable lines. It has not been on predictable lines for the past 2-3 years now. And you also have to identify the fact that if you're going for iterations, for example, if you're I didn't go for iterations personally, in the sense that doing the questions that you know first and then doing the questions that you don't know, simply because over these years the number of questions that we are not sure of has increased a lot, and the length of the questions has also increased a lot. So sometimes by the time we are done with the second we are doing two iterations, time rushes like anything. Exactly. So from the past 2 years, what I did was that I would solve a question then and there, and then proceed to the next question. Kept on telling myself that if I like if I have done a sufficient amount of preparation, I would always keep on telling myself that it's okay if you are able to do just 30 questions, then the person sitting next to you is also able to do just 30 only.